Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we got Daniel over here. He's gonna help me out. So I ordered the Street Faction Bash Bar for I think it was Thanksgiving, and I placed the order. I feel like everybody placed the order, but it took let me see, it took 2 months. But I mean, I'm not complaining because a lot of people order this stuff, and then it's worth the wait. So here's the Bash Bar. I got with the bumper support, and then I got with the side brace or support, I don't know what you want to call it, and then I got with the jack point because it helps a lot because I don't want to jack it up from the side. There's no room because of the side skirt, and then on the front obviously you can't really jack it up because there's nothing, so that's what I got with this one. So we're gonna take the bumper off, Daniel's gonna help me, and then we're gonna make it fit. Hopefully there's not too much cutting, but if we have to, we're gonna have to cut it. We have no choice. Even though it's brand new, but we still gotta cut it. Right, Daniel? Alright, so let me take the bumper out, and then I'll show you guys. Alright, that's how it looks like after taking all the wrap out. So their welds are look beautiful. Yeah. You can't complain because they've been doing this for a minute now, and you know, people have zero complaints about them. They're always on time. Their welds are amazing. And then here, let me show you guys this there. Focus zoom in. Or we focus. Okay, so here's the Street Faction logo. Your stamp. There you go. So it looks like. So we're gonna put it in the car now, and then because I needed a crash bar because I have nothing here, and then I've been going to drift events, and then I shouldn't risk my car because, you know, I put so much money into it. So a crash bar was definitely a must, definitely, because I didn't have the OEM. So let's take the bumper off, and then I'll show you guys from there. Okay guys, we're gonna get ready to put on the car. We got Daniel here, who's gonna help me put it on. We got some fresh, brand new nuts and bolts for the washers. So we're gonna grab those. And we're gonna let me see. So you're gonna put it like this. For the back one, just use a nut. And for this one, use it.
For this one?
Yeah.
Use a nut. Okay.
So that's where it mounts. It mounts the same place as the OEM crash bar, I guess you can call it. So we're gonna use a screw, the locking washer, this one, like that. And we're gonna put the big washer like that. So this one, locking washer, big washer, and the nut. Okay, so we're going to that side. Here, get this ready.
How's it supposed to be?
Huh? This Daniel's confused face. Okay, so we're gonna put on the car. Hopefully the fitment is on point. Hopefully my car has never been to an accident. All right. I'm trying to hold the camera and do it at the same time. Come on! God damn it! Did it fit? Hey, mine's on it. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hold up. Go back a little.
Go back?
Yeah, the harness got on top of it. Hold on. Oh, let's try this one more time. This harness was getting in the way. So we're gonna have to go on my side.
Good?
Okay, it's in. Is yours in?
Yeah.
It went all the way in?
Yeah. It's just you can see.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Alright, we're gonna try to bolt it on. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and try to work on the car. So we're gonna put the screws on and then record it again. Alright guys, Daniel figured out why it wasn't fitting. So we found out that this area, okay, we found out that this area right about there, it hits, where is it?
Right here.
Yeah, it hits this area, so it doesn't let it go all the way in, so the holes don't line up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit that area. When we come in this area, we're gonna hit this area. So whoever buys this bash bars, I mean the fitment is perfect, but this is like chassis related. So as soon as you buy the crash bar, you're gonna have to like bend these tabs, maybe like all the way up, like it's lined up with this one. See how it goes down here? So bend it up until it's straight, and then the holes will line up all the way in. So we're gonna bend the tab up, and then we're gonna fit the bash bar and see how. All right guys, after messing around with the whole alignment, we had to like pull this up a little higher, and then Daniel came with this idea to put the foams just in case if it vibrates. And then here's the same thing. We bend the chassis. This is like a lip, a pinch weld. I don't know what you want to call it, but we put the foam here too, and there's a fitment. We had no trouble putting it. It pretty much like went straight in it, like it was meant to be, you know. That's the way it looks. I mean, it's not going anywhere. And then that bottom piece where the jack point goes, so it hits right about there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I marked it with a Sharpie. So I'm gonna use the Dremel, and I'm gonna just shave that area. So the fitment gets. So the fitment is better, and hopefully it goes in good. And yeah, we're gonna see it. Alright, we're gonna Dremel here. We're gonna use this little stone to grind it down, and safety first always. Extension. Let me get the light. Actually, you know the light. Oh shit. Just do it like that. Alright, we're gonna change the stone because this is taking forever. So we're gonna take this fucker out, and then we're gonna put this. So we're gonna cut it straight and then side to side, so it'll be easier to cut it. This is gonna suck. Fiberglass. Yep. Let me get out. Little rag. Okay. Let's cut this shit. Shit.
You go home now.
Is that better? Yeah. It works.
I'll do the job. Alright guys, after cutting and more cutting and more cutting, we cut this area for the jack point, and then Daniel realized, you know, like if you're gonna jack up the front of the car, usually you don't have the bumper on. So we kept on cutting and cutting and cutting. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I mean, fuck this, whatever. Okay, but fitment was perfect, and then the bumper's sitting on top of the bar here. We put some zip ties just in case. He came up with the idea. Daniel and the ideas. All the ideas. But fitment is on point. It doesn't hit anywhere other than the jack point, like I mentioned. The bumper's stable now. So before it was sagging because there was nothing, there's no support in the bottom, so we had 2 zip ties here, but now we have the bar in place, so it doesn't move. And everything's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not, but everything fits now good, so now I don't have to worry about, like, you know, hitting someone or someone hitting me, because now we have the crash bar from Street Faction. And we're gonna lower the hood and see how the fitment is. Well, Daniel's gonna lower the hood. So before I had the crash bar, it was a little off here. It wasn't sitting flush. It was like a little gap. But yeah, let me close the hood. I'm still afraid because
you do it.
Because it's so, look at that.
Yeah.
So flimsy. Oh. Oh.
That's how you close 1,000 watts.
There you go. Alright. So the hood is closed.
Damn, that's
so
nice.
It's I mean it's a little higher because I guess, you know, it's fiberglass the way they designed it. But I mean, here is pretty much perfect, but it's fiberglass, so you know you can't expect like perfect. But I mean,
that's so much better now.
yeah, it's a lot better now. Before it was it didn't look so good, but now it's
Yeah, you can push down on that now. Look at this.
it actually sounds solid.
It is, man.
Alright.
Now the bumper's gonna explode.
Well, yeah, if I hit something, the bumper's gonna crack. Now it's gonna crack. That was better. But yeah, that's that was installation of the Street Faction bash bar, crash bar, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys get it, I mean, fitment is perfect unless your car is fucked up, but mine wasn't. So we got Danny over there again for the help. It's really appreciated. Yeah. Next video, I got a few parts at home. I'm gonna put it on for an event coming up. I'll tell you guys later on. That's a huge event. We all Endless Minds. That's our team, Endless Minds. We're gonna be on it drifting. But I'll tell you guys later, little by little, before I expose the whole entire event. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. What the fuck am I gonna say? Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, I'll happy to answer them. So we're gonna finish this video. Make it clean, body line, and Street Faction bash bar. Cool. See you guys next video.